Welcome. If you want to stay connected and never miss out on new connections for your Facebook page, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable suggested people notifications on your Facebook page using your PC, following the latest update. This way, you'll always be in the loop when Facebook suggests new people who might be interested in your page. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, select the page you want to manage. Once you're on your page, click on the page's profile photo. This will open up your page's main dashboard. Now, look for the menu on the left side of your screen. Scroll down and find the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on it and then select Settings from the expanded menu. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see a list of options on the left. Find and click on Notifications. This is where you can control all the notifications you receive for your page. Within the Notifications section, look for the option called People You May Know. Click on it to open more settings. Now, you'll see a toggle or checkbox labeled Allow Notifications on Facebook. Make sure this option is turned on. This will enable notifications whenever Facebook suggests new people who could be relevant to your page. And that's it. You've successfully enabled suggested people notifications on your Facebook page. From now on, you'll get notified whenever Facebook thinks there's someone you should connect with, helping you grow your page and engage with a wider audience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.